How to add song in Instagram story. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. And by the way, if this video was helpful, then let me know in the comments. So what you want to do is simply go to the bottom right corner and then click on your profile picture in order to add a story. Now, once you click on there, you can actually click on the camera right there. And then you can actually take a picture or record something. So just take a picture just like that. And for me at the top, it already says you can now add music here. So you want to click on there, and that is actually how you can add music just like that. It used to be in the sticker icon, in the sticker section right over there, and then on music, which is still the case actually. But it is now also on this part right there. So then you can just add any song you would like to. I believe basically everything that is on Spotify is on here as well. I don't think that most stuff on SoundCloud is here as well. I mean, the stuff that is on SoundCloud and also on Spotify is on here, but like the very small and underrated songs that aren't well known from SoundCloud will probably not be on here. So keep that in mind, and then you can just use any song you would like to in the For You section or the Browse section, or search for anyone you would like to. For example, Drake. You can even go to the artist and then choose any song you would like. So that is basically it. That's how you can add music to, or your song to, the story. If you would like to completely remove the music sticker as well, simply click on there and then hit music to open up the settings. But yeah, you can do like the lyrics, the full cover or the small cover. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.